Hi students, let me wish you all good on this day. We are going to look at the exercises from the chapter transformation that we have been going through all these days. Okay, a few exercises I had told you to do early. Now we look at the answers. Okay, rewrite the following sentences in negative. I will do here make negative. The plan was duly sanctioned. It was properly permitted, sanctioned, allowed, whatever is meaning. And the negative you have to make, there was no delay in sanctioning the plan. There was no delay in sanctioning the plan. Okay, and then some more examples, we look at it. Loyalty is more important than efficiency. Loyalty is more important than efficiency. Efficiency is not as important as loyalty. Efficiency is as important as loyalty. I shall always remember this kindness of yours. I shall always remember this kindness of yours. I shall never forget this kindness of yours. Fine. Now we look at change the following sentences from negative to affirmative. From change to negative to affirmative. There is not a moment when I do not miss you. There is not a moment when I do not miss you. What is the meaning of it is that there is not a moment. There is one negative and I do not. That is one more negative. Two negatives mixed into one positive, so which means I always miss you. Okay, so here the positive is I miss you every moment. I miss you every moment. One more, the watch was too expensive that I could not afford it. The watch was too expensive for me to afford. Okay, the question is the watch was so expensive that I could not afford it. Negative. The watch was too expensive for me to afford. That is the positive. And an ordinary camera does not give as good results as a digital camera. An ordinary camera does not give as good results as a digital camera. A digital camera gives better results than an ordinary camera. A digital camera gives better results than an ordinary camera. Now, exercise number 3. Change the following sentences from interrogative to assertive. Okay. Can a teacher afford to lose temper at her students? Can a teacher afford to lose temper at her students? A teacher cannot afford to lose temper at her students. From interrogative to assertive, a teacher cannot afford to lose temper at her students. Why ask such irrelevant questions? Why ask such irrelevant questions? Do not ask such irrelevant questions. Do not ask such irrelevant questions. Where else will you get such an attractive package? Where else will you get such an attractive package? You will not get such an attractive package anywhere else. You will not get such an attractive package anywhere else. Next, change the following sentences from assertive to interrogative. Just opposite. There cannot be a virtue nobler than forgiveness. There cannot be a virtue nobler than forgiveness. Can there be a virtue nobler than forgiveness? Can there be a virtue nobler than forgiveness? Next one, everybody wants to lead a peaceful life. Everybody wants to live a peaceful life. Who else? Sorry, who does not want to lead a peaceful life? Question mark. Who does not want to lead a peaceful life? Next, we should not meddle in others' affairs. We should not meddle in others' affairs. Should we meddle in others' affairs? Question mark. Should we meddle in others' affairs? With a question mark. Next exercise, change the following sentences from exclamatory to assertive. What a piece of work is man. What a piece of work is man. Man is a wonderful piece of work. Man is a wonderful piece of work. Would that our politicians were less selfish. Would that our politicians were less selfish. I wish that our politicians were less selfish. I wish that our politicians were less selfish. If only I could begin my life afresh. If only I could begin my life afresh. I wish I could begin my life afresh. I wish I could begin my life afresh. Next, change the following sentences from assertive to exclamatory. The food court in this mall has a very beautiful ambience. Ambience means an atmosphere of the place, a suitable atmosphere, condition, situation of the place. How beautiful is the ambience of the place? How beautiful is the ambience of the place, or how beautiful is the ambience of the food court in this mall? Next, I wish I could do something for my alma mater. I wish I could do something for my alma mater. Oh, that I could do something for my alma mater. Alma mater, you can consider as a school where you did your early schooling. Next, it is sad to think that minutes once lost can never be recovered. It is sad to think that minutes once lost can never be recovered. By the way, all these sentences you have to put exclamation mark, okay, in the answers. To think that minutes once lost can never be recovered, and you have to close it or end with an exclamation mark. Then the degrees of comparison, which we saw yesterday. Rewrite the following sentences in all possible ways by changing the degree of comparison. Milkha Singh was the fastest athlete in those national games. No other athlete was as fast as Milkha Singh in those national games. Or Milkha Singh was faster than all other athletes in those national games. Kalidas is one of the greatest playwrights in the world that the world has ever produced. Kalidas is a greater playwright than most others in the world, the world has produced. Or very few playwrights were as great as Kalidas that the world has ever produced. I will take it from Oh, fine. Miss Madan is not the best English teacher in our school. Some other English teachers in our school are better than Mr. Madan. So those are the some examples of the exercises. The remaining, actually I had told you to do it. Now with the answers that I gave you, compare, and if you have got any doubts, okay, either during the Zoom class, that is the online class, or over the phone, you can ask me. I'll explain to you the answers on the questions wherever you have got doubts. Okay, thank you.